This video will be very simple of showing you how to install a Nano editor and to use it just to edit a file and save. This video is like an extra video in case that you feel that you really don't want to learn the V editor, you just want to get started with one of the most simple editor just for edit and save, and that's all. Of course, a Nano editor you can do a lot more stuff than I will show. I will just take the very basic of it, so keep that in mind that you can do a lot more stuff than this, so this is just the basic one. So the first step is that Nano is not installed by default. If you try to type Nano, it says command not found. So we need to install it in our FreeBSD. We are going to install it by using the PKG package management software, or package management tool we can call it. So we will take this more detail later, so just do this right now. PKG install Nano. This command will download Nano as a binary package for us and install it so we can use it as quick as possible on our system. So now it wants to install, I need to select yes there because we need to install the PKG tool first. This only happens first time when we start the PKG and haven't used it before. So this system is pretty fresh. Soon it will arrive a question if we want to install Nano editor, so I just select yes here and it will download, let's see here, 445 kilobit or kibibit I think it's called, will be downloaded, so I select yes. Now it should be installed, so if I type Nano it will work. Since I'm going to take the same example as before, to edit the etcrc.conf file, I can do like this, nano followed by /etcrc.conf. When I run this command, I start the GNU Nano editor. This editor doesn't have the same command and edit like we have. This is much more simple for beginners. So you can navigate with the arrow keys and then directly begin to type without any commands. So I'm going to just simply write a comment. I added a comment. Okay, so that's simple, and just press return and edit as normal. You can use delete and backspace if you want to delete characters. So same things as normal. So if you want to save your changes, you see down here that it's an that you have the commands here. So what you do is to hold Control and press the character for which symbolize the command. So if I want to exit now, it will automatically ask me if I want to save changes. So I can just hold Control and press X, and it says save modified buffer. If I want to save it, I just type yes or no, or Y or N. Of course, so I just type Y here. And when I do, it asks the next step, file name to write. So it wants me to save the file to etcrc.conf, which is the one I open. If I'm fine with that, I just press return here, which I want. And it brings us back to the shell now. We are not in the editor because what you see here is the old buffer on the screen. So I just clear. We are, you will get that way. If I do the same now, open Nano and the same file, you can see that our comment is down here. And as I said before, you can do a lot more things with this editor. And I won't cover them because in case that you want to know more about the Nano editor, feel free to explore it. There are a lot of documentation about it on internet. I would say once again, that really try to study to get the hang of the V editor, because V and Vim is such important in Unix-like operating systems. But of course, there's nothing wrong with using the Nano editor. It's very easy and it's very lightweight and very nice actually. And in fact, I actually like it. Nothing bad about it. I press Ctrl X, and you see now, since I didn't make any changes here, it's just exit directly without asking anything. Alright, I hope that this advice can help you a bit in case that could help you a bit in case that you don't like the V editor. And happy hacking and have fun.